Despite what many would have you believe, especially moral subjectivists, you cannot talk about moral truth without talking about ontological truth. People will say ridiculous things like, how can we say that morality is objective if we cannot agree on what is and is not immoral? And I've gone over several problems with that argument. People can be wrong, and generally people do agree. But more than that, this is a bit complicated, but technically people always agree. Take, for example, the statement, murder is immoral. I can say as a matter of logical truth that every person must necessarily agree with that statement, because by definition, murder is an immoral or unjustified killing. So saying that murder is immoral is saying that a thing is the thing it is. It's a tautology. So controversially, when we're talking about whether or not something is immoral because we think it's murder, we're not talking about whether or not murder is immoral, we're talking about whether or not that thing is murder. We're talking about the nature or reality of the thing, the ontological truth of the thing, which should be obvious if you've ever sat through a discussion about abortion. It isn't two people who have the same view of a thing making different moral statements. It's two people who have different views on a thing making the moral statement that is logical for their view. So actually, no, we don't disagree on the nature of morality, we disagree on the nature of reality, and reality is not an opinion, so morality is not an opinion.